Maraming nagsabi kasi sa'kin, "Oh, ito galit sa'yo si ganito, gano'n." And I understand that kasi sometimes pa we break news, 'di ba? Nauna tayo, so may mga tao na naunahan natin sa news,
Yeah, yeah.
you don't feel good about it, but ano gawin ko? It's my job, just doing my job, I'm breaking
That's
a news.
correct. That's
Di
correct.
ba?
Yeah.
Lalo na mga
That's
rival
why I like
natin.
you. I mean, it's our job. Ito yung trabaho ko. I mean, I'm doing this for my family. I'm doing this for my career. Doing this to earn money. So,
Correct. Eto,
I understand that.
there was a time na kayo ni Snow, hindi kayo friendly, di ba?
Mm, mm.
Did you ever hear anything from me na kumampi ako kay Snow? No, I said no. These are two people that can fight their own battles. I don't need to be in there.
Yes, yes.
Oh, di
Yeah.
ba? So, hindi ko kinalaman. Sabi ko, kasi even before pa, I'm not trying to register both of us in the Mutual Admiration Society. Sabi ko lang is this, before pa tayo nag-collaborate dito, I already respected your work. Pag boxing, in fact, pag may mga boxing news, doon ako pupunta sa website mo.